Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Webtoon application using your Android or iOS device. So in order to change dark mode on Webtoon, open the Webtoon application on your device first and make sure that you are logged in. Now from the home page of Webtoon, tap on My button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside the My menu, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. From the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, you need to go ahead and tap the Display option at the bottom, and on the next page, select Dark Theme. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable dark mode in your Webtoon app. Now there you have it. The dark mode makes reading more comfortable, especially at night, and helps reduce eye strain. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.